Pumpkin seeds have various health benefits, but it's important to note that they are not a specific aphrodisiac or a guarantee of sexual health. However, they do contain several nutrients and compounds that can contribute to overall health and potentially support sexual health indirectly. Here are some ways in which pumpkin seeds may be beneficial for sexual health. Number 1. Rich in zinc. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of zinc, which is an essential mineral for reproductive health in both men and women. Zinc is involved in the production of sex hormones, including testosterone, and plays a role in sperm production. Number 2. Mood regulation. Pumpkin seeds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that can contribute to the production of serotonin in the body. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood, and maintaining a positive mood can have a positive impact on one's sexual health. Number 3. Heart health. A healthy cardiovascular system is crucial for sexual health. Pumpkin seeds are known to support heart health due to their magnesium content, which can help maintain healthy blood flow, including blood flow to the genitals. Number 4. Stress reduction. Stress can negatively affect sexual health. Pumpkin seeds contain magnesium, which can help relax muscles and promote relaxation. This can indirectly reduce stress and anxiety, potentially benefiting sexual health. Number 5. Prostate health. Pumpkin seeds contain compounds like phytosterols that may support prostate health in men. A healthy prostate is important for overall sexual well-being.